I'm coconuts about you. Hello everyone, I'm Juliana and I'm one of the co-founders of Flow Physics Factory, and today I will show you a very delicious recipe that I've come up with. Just in case you're wondering where the dog is, he's actually behind the camera right now filming this. Well, talk about a little role switcheroo, because usually I'm the one behind the camera filming this. So just a little introduction about me. I'm from the sunny tropical island of Singapore. So not surprisingly, I'm super in love with our tropical fruits, especially coconuts. And right now in Singapore, there's actually a surge in popularity for coconut milkshakes because everyone believes that it's a healthier alternative to boba milk tea or bubble milk tea or pearl milk tea. But I hate to break it to you guys, because the Singapore Heart Foundation actually says that for every 500 ml of coconut milkshake, there's 329 calories. Ugh. But don't get me wrong, coconut water is actually extremely good for you. It's a great source of electrolytes and it's great for rehydration. But coconut water and coconut milkshake is very different because this has a lot more calories, higher sugar content and higher fat content. But I would like to have my coconuts and eat it too, so I've come up with my own recipe that has half the calories and in my opinion tastes just as good as the real thing. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so here are all the magic ingredients to make the Coconutty Professor Milkshake. Yes, that's the name I've given it. Alright, so here's my trusty blender and here's my 40 grams of coconut ice cream. Yums. And here I have my coconut flesh, 2 grams. And next we have the sweeteners. So here I have 4 sweeteners. And this is one of the most important ingredients that give the shake its slushy texture, ice cubes. Oh wait, did I say the ice is important? Well, this is even more important as it literally defines the milkshake. This is 300 grams of unsweetened coconut milk. Well, the next few steps are pretty intuitive. So here's my blender cup. So all I have to do is to put all the ingredients into the blender cup and blend. First up, I have my 300 grams of unsweetened coconut milk. Next, we sweeten things up without the extra calories with 4 sweeteners. And now to make it taste even more authentic like a real coconut drink, I'm adding 2 grams of coconut flesh. Yums! So let's see what's next. Ooh, ice cream. So now we are adding ice cream to thicken the texture and to enjoy a richer taste. So here's 40 grams of coconut ice cream. Okay, so the final ingredient, my 9 ice cubes. So you can vary the quantity of the ice depending on how slushy you like it. For me, I love it like really slushy. So here I have 9 ice cubes. To make sure there's no spillage during the blending, all we need is a little elbow grease to tighten the cover, and then we blend and we wait. Here we go! Okay, I have to admit, this is the most boring and laborious part of the process, so I like to do something useful while it's blending. So most people like to increase their NEAT, their non-exercise activity thermogenesis, by walking. For me, I like to learn a TikTok dance.
Can you remember any of the rap that you did?
My money don't jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle, for sure. It makes me wanna dribble. You know, riding in my Fiat, you really have to see it. 6 feet 2 in a compact, no slack. But luckily the seats go back. I got a knack to relax in my mind. I'm sipping some red wine. Nice.
Oh my god, that was absolutely embarrassing, guys. Anyway, my coconut milkshake is done. You know what? Back in the day, I wouldn't even think about the calories in these drinks. Now that I'm a fitness and nutrition trainer, I'm so much more aware of what I'm putting into my body. I realize I'm making more well-informed choices. You know what, guys? We're going for the long haul. The end game is a sustainable weight loss plan. Yeah? Can you tell what I did there? That's my best Dr. Striker impression. Oh, anyway, just a tip. If you want to enjoy an equal amount of coconut milkshake and ice, the slushy, use big straws like this, the ones that we use for our pearl milk teas, our bubble teas, yeah? Don't use the small ones. And also, another tip, if you want to reduce the calories further, you can remove the 2 grams of coconut flesh. Actually, I've tried it and the taste is pretty much the same. It's just as good. So you can now enjoy this without any further guilt. So I hope you enjoyed making the Cocoa Nutty Professor with me. And if you do enjoy and like this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the bell button for notifications when we have new videos coming out. So with this, I wish you guys a very good week, and thank you so much for being here, and don't forget to catch us on our next video. See you at the next appointment. Don't be late.